Hey everyone, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida real estate agent, and I'm here on location, another brand new home build community. It is in the St. Cloud area, but it's these models and this builder is also building in other areas of Central Florida. So if you like it here, if you like this particular model, I should say, and you want to find it in a different location, we can try and find that for you. But this particular model is called the Elle. As you can see, it is a beautiful two-story home. This particular configuration has a small little porch in the front. So here's your personal tour. Enjoy. I'm about to take off from this particular tour that you just took. I hope that you enjoyed it, guys, and I'm gonna ask, please, if you enjoy this content and you wanna see more, hit the like button, hit subscribe so that you can stay connected, and tap that bell notification icon so that every time that I put new content out, you are informed and you're in the know. This is what I want to do. I want to bring information here on the local level, on the market, to you directly so that you don't have to run around and find it. There's a lot of information that's out there and it's hard to get a handle on all of it. That's my job. I want to help you guys. Feel free to reach out. My information is down below. You can text, call. I'd love to help you when you are ready to make your decision on buying and, for that matter, selling here in Central Florida. Thanks again, guys. See you on the next video.